5 daily habits that actually improved my digestion, and you can try it too. 2 minutes of Vajrasan followed by a 10 to 15 minutes of gentle walk after every meal will prevent that heaviness and gas. Keeping your dinners light, especially avoiding rice at night, will reduce your bloating and will help you with constipation. Some gentle twists like Vakrasana and some pranayamas like Kapalbhati can naturally activate your digestive system without overstressing your gut. It's a myth that you shouldn't drink water just after eating. A small amount of warm water can actually support the digestion. You should just avoid cold water and water in excess. Constant snacking doesn't let your digestion finish. Spacing between your meals will give your gut time to work properly and will reduce bloating. So just understand, sometimes your digestion doesn't need restriction, it needs good habits plus consistency.